On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me one broken furnace.
Oh, man, this is so cold.
Yeah, man, I'm freezing my butt off over here.
Yeah, Leonardo, why are you hogging all the stupid blankets?
Gotta cuddle for warmth.
Oh, yeah, baby, you can come and cuddle with me, baby. Yeah, dog. You know what? No, I can't accept this anymore. Leonardo, give us at least one blanket. No, dog, you see, I'm like covered in with like 5,000 blankets and 1,000 blankets and 1,000 jackets, fool. You know what? No, that doesn't make sense. Please just give us at least one blanket to just cuddle with. No, fool, I think you guys are okay over there with cuddling, fool. I just accepted Leandra over here so she won't be by you gross, manly-like people. What? You heard me, dog. Go cuddle with Fargo over there. You know what? Okay, guys, we need to fix this stupid heater. Yeah, you know, I'm getting tired of cuddling with this guy. You know what? Screw you, Sergeant Donut. I'm sweating my butt off over there. You see, I am used to cold areas. I sleep in the fridge, for God's sakes. You know what? No. You know what? No. We need to fix this heater, or we're all gonna die of freezingness. You know what? Bongo, Fargo. Yeah? I need you two to go downstairs in the basement and, you know, mess with the heater a little bit and fix it. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, man, we tried that before. It didn't work. You know what? Shut up, Fargo, before I lock you out a second time. Yo, dog, I can hear you over there trying to fix this goddamn heater. But if you fix it, I ain't gonna be able to cuddle with Leandra no more. Shit, well, I'm only in first base, dog. I need this. You know what? Go fix it now. And I'm talking now. Okay, Fargo, let's go. Let's go, Fargo. Yeah, dog, you do that. Well, I get to second base. No, restart. Yeah, dog, you do that. Well, I get to second base. Ooh. Whoa, dog. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, let me under there. Ooh. Okay, time to check the... That didn't do anything. I gotta find the stupid heater. This? That's just a one heater. It doesn't control the entire house. I need the furnace. Okay. Bongo, I found the heater! Oh, nice job, Fargo. You found it. How do we start it? I don't know. Maybe you touch this. Ah! It couldn't be that bad. Let me just touch it. Bongo, are you okay? I don't think it's this bad. What if I just touch it? Oh, man, that hurts so bad. Fargo, are you okay? Fargo? I think he's dead. I need to find another heater in the furnace. Okay. Outside, it's pretty cold. Hey, Radar. It's been a while. It's pretty cold out.
I just wanted to say, I hope it's okay up there. Hope you're having a great time with God and stuff. Where's Sophie? Where did you last see her? There is a God. Ew, what happened here? Oh, that's an air conditioner. Crap, I need to find like a furnace out here. Ooh, what is this? Is that an electrical box? How do I open it up? Crap. I need to find like an electrical box, but I don't think that's gonna be there. The stick's falling. Oh, it's so cold outside. I need to get inside a car where they have a heater. Please be in. Crap, I need to fix this furnace somehow. What is that? Please be the furnace. Please be the furnace. Oh, this is it. Oh, electrical box. I give up. There's no way to get warm anymore. Oh, hey Fargo. Hi. Did you give up too? Yeah, I kinda did a long time ago. When I kept getting electrocuted. Yeah, that sucked. It's hard doing this alone, man. Wish I had Quentin or somebody. Or like a new best friend that relates to me, man. Like one of those Spanish kids that move in the middle of the year for no apparent reason and you become their friend, like that. I never went to school or didn't do any of that, so I don't know what you mean. But yeah, it's hard to do stuff without friends. Yeah. I guess we're just gonna have to, not have furnace working. Yeah, that kind of sucks. See, my cheeks are red because of this incident. But, you know, I don't care anymore. I'm going to bed. He snores weird. You know what? Let this be a lesson to you kids. Never give up. I broke the fourth wall. Don't watch me, man. I'm gonna go fix the stupid furnace. Full, yeah, I'm on full.
Are we just gonna sit here and watch this? I mean, I'm kind of enjoying it, man.
I just got here.
Guys, I fixed the heater! You did? Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's starting to get hot in here. Yeah, man. Whew. How'd you fix the heater?
Well, I did it with the power of friendship.
Yo, dog, it's getting so hot. Get out of here, Leandra. Oh, I'm steaming.
Get me out of here, fool. Get me out of here. Leonardo, you want your hat back? No, dog, please don't do that.
Ah, fool.
Please, man. I need to tell Gunner what just happened, fool. Oh, I just lost my virginity, man. I need to get out of here, fool. You know what? Yes. Well, Leonardo, I'm kind of cold. I'm going to just take this. Feels good to win.